Satya! Satya, they're taking Varalakshmi away! Satya! Satya!
One, two, three, it's gathering with a hero like an arrow. 1, 2, 3, gathering.
Hey, you are a hero? Better forget her. Otherwise get killed.
I will never let you go. I've decided. Hey, is it done?
Say show! Say show! Say show! Say show! Say show! Say show! Say show!
What happened? He sent his men to kill Varalakshmi just because she's an obstacle.
Why would he do that?
Ask him why. Check the phone. You will know how eagerly he is waiting for the news. Whoever tries to touch anything that belongs to me will face death.
Is that true?
Dad! Dad! Where are the tablets? Tablets, Dad. Please, go inside, Dad. Please, go inside. Relax.
Daddy, you told me that somehow my marriage with Satya will happen. Is it like this? I'm ashamed to be your daughter. Mommy, we're flying back to New York tomorrow.
Priya.
I'm sorry. Please forgive my father.
I'm sorry, Priya. I never felt the way you felt about me.
Varalakshmi, you've got a wonderful person as a husband. You're really lucky.
No more competition. It's a single hero in cinema now.
I go crazy looking at you, Mira, till it's breaking. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating. I go crazy looking at you, Mira, till it's breaking. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating. अंधारा मंदु पातरा, बेलचुते कल्ला मुंदरा, जयुते चिंदरा बंदरा, तू ही मेरा. Wanna touch me now? Wanna touch me now? I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating.
गोरा होरी छोड़ना धीरा.
Your eyes are making me so crazy. Tell me, girl, don't you just wanna be my baby? Show me all the things that make me lazy. Love is shining all over you, my lovely.
Radha Madhava Nari Kesava Abhisheka Nandi Andukova.
Oh, shining, shining baby, my smiling, smiling ruby. I'm shaking, jaldi nanne hath kova.
Mari ishtanga lakova, siri gandha lakova, sarasanga cheseva, rasaranga naseva.
Let me show you Najiva. I go crazy, looking at you, मेरा दिल is breaking.
गोरा होरी छोड़ना धीरा.
वर्णाला हंसिका चुंबिस्तानंटे नुच्चुकोगा.
Hey sexy sexy लड़का, your natural look से केका, ऐसा लगता है दोनी के पीछे खाका.
सुरभोगम तक्के ताका, सुखयागम చేసేका, ఒదిగుంటా భేం కైకా, సొగసే సంధించేకా.
चलते चलते हंस के बेवफा.
सुका निन्ने ताका. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating.
गोरा होरी छोड़ना धीरा.
Madam and Priya have left. I'm unable to see you in this pathetic situation. That fellow Satya has degraded you. Even PR is supporting him. We can't be here anymore. No, we can't. Let's go away.
I have also decided. Father and son together have devalued me. I'll demand my share in the property.
You should.
Dad's in massage. He will not see anybody. Go!
Didn't you hear him?
I want to talk to PR.
Talk to me.
This is something I can only discuss with PR.
That was in the past. Now it is me who is sitting over here. Tell me.
I want my money. I want my share in the property.
I don't like to look at your face every day. You're fired from the job. Get lost. What do you think? Is this a government job to get retirement benefits?
Hey, this is not a job. It's the property we earn together.
Are you saying without you PR is nothing?
He's nothing. I want my share.
Okay, how much?
50%. That's 500 crores.
Rupees or cookies? You will not get even 1%.
He's locked for so long. You think Seshu is a slave?
In a card game, Joker is compulsory.
Hey, what did you say?
Hey.
I'm a joker?
How dare you call him a joker?
Hey!
Hey, go and see. Daddy, Stage uncle is beating up Satya very badly.
Do you know?
Hey.
Do you know?
Hey!
Huh?
Hey!
Huh?
What is this?
This
issue?
fellow!
Hey! How dare you touch my son? He is not your servant. He is my son.
Hey, PR! You know he doesn't know how to talk to me. You know what he called me? He called me a servant.
Is that right?
Yes, Dad. Do you know what he said? He said without him you are nothing. He wants his share.
That's correct. Without me, there is no PR. PR is a fool. He's a joker.
Hey, stop this nonsense. I should have killed you in Varalakshmi's matter. If you touch my father...
Give me that. Hey, what was your demand? Say it again. You want a share, is it? This is my property, my empire, and my son is my heir.
PR!
You are just a servant.
Hey!
Hey! My son alone is enough for me. Go away. Let's get out. Before I kill you, get out. Let's go. Out! Get out. Let's get out. Let's move. Get out!
Dad! Call the doctor, quickly!
Was he disturbed?
A small incident, doctor. After that he is...
Situation is very critical. Tablets won't work. Operation is a must. Any delay could be dangerous.
Thus, let us bury our differences and get together. We have to put an end to PR. Seshu will also join you. You need to help us. Welcome, friend. After 20 years for the first time, PR has grown weaker and I have become stronger. That is why I called you after Bharat told me everything.
For being with him for 20 years, Seshu has been greatly rewarded.
Property worth several crores which we earned together has slipped out of my hands.
Your daughter hasn't slipped, no? Sorry?
Father and son should be eliminated. I want the entire property. 50% is yours.
A friend has come from Hong Kong with the same idea. Wilson, join us.
Previously PR party, now we are all one party.
Enemies, our friend. Together we will wipe them out. Then the city will have only one king, Das. Seshu, if PR dies, the property goes to his son. If son dies, the whole property goes to the orphanage. So first the property has to be grabbed. Then we can kill both of them. Hello?
Operation date for PR has been fixed. Chances of survival 50-50.
You be there and keep us informed. Bye.
At the same
PR is
time,
going to be operated day after tomorrow. Chances of survival 50-50.
Very good. Let him die without our help.
Then what about the property?
Huh?
We should do something before the operation.
correct. Once we have the money.
Like PR killed my brother in front of my eyes. I'll kill his son in front of his eyes.
Super! Guys, make arrangements.
My son, children are equal to God. They are all praying for your welfare.
Daddy, don't worry. The operation will be a success.
See, Dad. You said no relations, no sentiments. See how the children love you. That is what one needs.
Satya, you need to sign the risk declaration.